been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Hey you guys, we are back with a wig review, and this wig comes from Wiggins Hair. This is how the wig looks like in the pack. It comes with 2 wig caps, eyelashes, a bonnet, a scrunchie, a edge comb, and then a clip. Now we're going to go ahead and take the bob out of the packaging. This lace is pre-cut. It's a 5x7. I did get it in the 10 inches. It is a lace closure wig and it is straight. It does have 2 combs on the sides and the front. It has an adjustable elastic band, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps as well. This is a beginner friendly wig. You literally don't really have to do much of nothing, but I am going to go ahead and put some of my foundation on the inside of the lace. So this is what it looks like after I put the makeup on the inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it so that way it matches my skin as good as possible. And then now we're going to go ahead and put this wig on, and you guys are going to see how easy it is to apply this wig. Now you guys, you can go ahead and wear this glueless like this. You would still apply some makeup to your edges to make sure it blends, but I personally like to spray my hair down, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kiss Colors lace bond spray to go ahead and spray this down. I'm going to do 1 layer first, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my blow dryer after I put that 1 layer across the whole forehead, since it's only a 5x7. And then after that, like I said, we're going to go ahead and use the blow dryer for this. So once that is tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply 1 more layer, and then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it before melting it. So I forgot to show you guys that it also comes with a wig band. So we're going to go ahead and use that to melt the lace. And we're going to let this sit. I believe I let it sit for about 30 minutes, maybe 30 to 45 minutes. I wasn't really in a rush, so we went ahead and let that sit for a while. Alright, so then I went in with my Care styling wax stick before I went ahead and used the hot comb to go ahead and make sure that there's not really any bumps in this wig. I believe I had the hot comb on about 400 degrees. Then I went in and bumped the ends with my fat iron. I believe that was on about 400 as well. I might actually try to cut this bob a little bit shorter so that I can get it straight at the ends, but not right now. So now our wig band is off, and y'all, she's looking cute. Let's see the final look. Ooh, y'all, she is looking gorgeous. She's a vibe. We want a red lippy on this one, and she's cute. She's easy to install. I definitely would recommend. 10 out of 10. So y'all, tell me down below, what do you think about the wig? Is she cute or not, and how I did. Thanks for watching.